Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Banglama. Today I have the recipe for chicken Madras. It's restaurant style. I have cooked at home. So first of all, in a pan, I have 2 tablespoons of oil and my dry spices. So amongst the dry spices are bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, kalonji, cardamom seeds, and Puran, which is 5 spice. I have written all this down in the description box to make it easy. And after roasting my dry spices, I will add chopped onions. You can use onion paste to reduce cooking time. But in here I have 2 chopped onions and I have added 2 teaspoons of salt to taste. So I will wait until the onions are golden brown. So basically I will just make onion paste in a pan. So here, once it's brown, I'm adding a half cup of water. So that way I'm making the gravy for the chicken Madras. So now the onions are ready for the powder spices to be added. So for a Madras strength, I have added 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. So I've taken extra hot here. But for normal curry, I add 1 spoon. But because it's Madras strength, so I've added 2. And then half spoon of turmeric, half of coriander powder, and little bit less than half spoonful of cumin powder. So once all in, stir. So I'm mixing all the spices with the onion paste for the gravy. So the secret of tasty curry is to roast the spices with the onions. So in here I spent about 3-4 minutes just roasting before adding the chicken, and that is important. It is very important to roast at that point. So in here I've added a half of tomatoes. This is optional. And then you can add the chickens. I have here half a kilo of chicken breast cut into cubes. So usually I cook the whole chicken, works out cheaper, but at that particular time it's easier for children just to have off the bone chicken breast, so it's easier for kids. I will leave that with the lid on for about 20 minutes. So slow heat. After 20 minutes, the chicken looks like this. All the fluid, the water has come from the chicken. So tips number 2, I did not add any water to the chicken. So that's important as well. So that water basically will help my chicken to cook. So first for 20 minutes. Now I will leave it for another 10-15 minutes. All the ingredients are listed on the description box. Please follow the recipe instruction on the video for chicken madras, and do subscribe to my channel, and to get notification for every upload, please put the bell icon on, and do like and share with friends and family, and comment your opinions in comment box. So after 10 minutes, I am adding coriander just to garnish it with. And then slow cook for another further 5 minutes, just for the coriander taste. Coriander is also optional, just a garnish. You can use any other herbs. Thank you for watching. I have included a recap, so in case anyone wants to try this recipe, they can read the description box and go into recap. Thank you for watching.